What episode did Ash get his first polygon? Did you know that there was an episode that was banned in Japan for polygon because it was giving people seizures? Everyone knows, dang it. Yes, the Pokemon named Polygon. Yeah, it was Pikachu's fault. Pikachu went, Pikachu! And then... Yep. Hire me! Pokemon, hire me! I'm so good at saying my name. Watch this. Beeble! 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 Look, I just said it 5 times. Beeble! B? Look, and I can say it with variations. B? Beeble? Beeble? Beeble! 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 Beeble? 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 Beeble! Yeah, see? Hire me. You sound like an even... Every! 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 Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur! Sir! Bulbasaur! Sir! Bulba! Sir! Yeah. Not Bow! Bulba! Togepi? Yeah, I'm good at voicing small creatures. Small animals and creatures are my specialty. Hi. Now do French Stormy. Hey. Hey. I have heard French Stormy. Do you know Guzzlord? I don't remember what that sounds like. Isn't it just a guy going ah? Yeah. Need to listen to that. I'm gonna Togepi. Where's the ice? Where's the ice? Where's the ice? How much have you practiced that? Barely at all. That was from memory. I don't go around being like, who's your best? Do an impression. And then I bring out my Togepi. Maybe now I will though. Now that I know I do it so good. Mama. Wobbuffet. 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 Jigglypuff? Ha! I gotta work on that one. Work on that one. I have to hear that one again. Hey, wake up! Wake up! What? I'll draw your face.